Hello, hello, hello. I am back with my Zazzle sales. I'm just so thankful to be able to create digital artwork and upload them to products online and sell them to customers. And this is just a gratitude video of how thankful I am for all these sales. So I will be going through and showing you things that I have sold in the last couple days. But I'm going to start by featuring the Christmas cards on Zazzle. It is that time of year that people are probably ordering Christmas cards, and if you have never bought anything on Zazzle, you may not know that they have fabulous Christmas cards. They have all kinds of different cards, flat cards that you can get in gloss or matte, folded cards, postcards, trifold cards, foil cards, magnetic cards, all kinds of things, and you can personalize them with your photos and text and make it however you want. I have actually ordered our family's Christmas cards on Zazzle for years. I absolutely love them. So I will put a link in the description of where you can go directly to start designing your cards. They have them organized by theme or type, or you can just keep scrolling down this page and it'll start showing you some of the popular designs on here. I'm just going to scroll through and show you some of these. And you just customize it however you want it to be. Put your own photos in there. You can rearrange the items on the template and order it in a variety of paper types. And they are just fabulous. I've always been very happy with the quality that I have gotten from Zazzle. So I just wanted to show you these quick in case you haven't ever ordered from Zazzle for your Christmas cards. They are fabulous. So let's hop over and look at what has been selling in the last couple days in my store. So yes, it is Christmas time. I'm selling lots of different types of wrapping paper. Here is a unique hot pink version. So if you want something a little bit different, you can get hot pink. And I believe they have these grouped that you can actually click the color and they will take you to the same paper on a different color. So you can just go through and get whatever color you want. That's actually a new feature they just introduced recently. It used to be where you would have to go find this other color on there because it's a completely separate product. Then we got a ho 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 Santa suit iPhone case. And if you like this design but you don't like the actual, if you have a different type of phone than what is shown, this little drop down over here, you can go choose different ones. You can hop over from, the iPhone to a Samsung Galaxy or something else. So here is a novelty front license plate with a design of the Grand Canyon, and it says Arizona. It's a very distressed design. That's for some states. They don't require license plates on both the front and back of the vehicle. They may only require it on the back, and so people will put a novelty design on the front. I know Arizona's like that. I think Florida is also like that. This is a hockey goalie Christmas ornament. It says protect the net, and it's actually two-sided. You could change the wording on one of the sides and put the player's name or number on there easily. Here's a funny ping pong paddle. It's an angry face, and this has the same design on the front and back. Again, if you wanted to put a different design on one of the sides, you could, or your own text or name. Here's a kitchen towel. These Santa gnomes Christmas towel. So when it's folded, it looks like that. That's like, so if it's hanging over the towel holder, it'd look like that. Bicycle postcard. Another postcard. This is like a digital mosaic of a sunflower. Jigsaw puzzle with a Bible verse. Save the date postcard with a deer. So that would be kind of like if somebody is doing a country wedding or a hunter or somebody who just enjoys the wildlife. And on the back, it has a place where they can write out who it's going to. There's another save the date. This is like a enchanted forest fairy tale design. More wrapping paper. Again, this is like the same one where the different colors are shown. Christmas elf gnomes stickers. You could use this as labels for your Christmas cards. This comes in different sizes. So like they ordered the 3-inch size, but it also comes in 1.5. So like 1.5 you would use more for a seal on an envelope or party favors. The large ones I would think you'd put on like maybe a gift or something. Another Bible verse puzzle. A monster truck birthday party. Of course, the customer will personalize all this information. This is a 2-sided design. So there's the back of it. They ordered the hardest puzzle possible, 1,014 pieces. So look at how tiny those pieces are in there. A monster truck puzzle. These would be good gifts as Christmas gifts if you wanted to upload your own design or put names on there. Like you could use this template with the trucks on there, but then put like your grandkids' names on the trucks as part of the puzzle. That would be kind of fun. That would be a really cool personalized gift to give for Christmas. This is just a label, like you could use it as a return address label. Obviously, the customer's going to put their own text on there. Another Arizona novelty license plate. This is a business card with hot air balloons. Here's the back of it, and then the front. The customer would put in their own information. You could also take this part of the design off and just delete it if you wanted to write something out. You could actually use this as like a tag for a product or instructions for customers, or you could put your own information in there and make it like a diaper raffle card for a baby shower. Here's a canned koozie. It says Happy Camper with like a blue marbly, kind of like that acrylic fluid design. Here's a Christmas tree ornament with like fiesta, like a Mexican fiesta party. Yellowstone National Park fridge magnet. Dairy cow pattern laptop case, laptop sleeve. Here we have a postcard with a Bible verse on it. And a winter wedding invitation. So that's all I have to feature this week. Again, like I said, I'm just so thankful for all the sales that I have on Zazzle. I love designing. I love working from home. I love being able to work on my own schedule. And this is just a gratitude video that, I'm just so thankful to be able to do this type of work. And I just want to share with you, these products ship basically all over the world. And I will be back. I want to do more of these videos maybe every week. And these sales are all from like the last couple days. But I left out a bunch of the redundant ones, like the gift wrap paper that just keeps selling over and over. I didn't include it in this video. I also didn't include some of the steampunk design, the tissue paper that always sells. So go see my previous videos if you want to see more designs. I'm going to try and kind of stick to only showing you something that didn't sell in the last video. I will put a link in the description of where you can see all of these products for sale on Zazzle. I'll just put them in one collection. If you want to go buy these or go see more information about them, just follow that link. And I hope everyone is having a great week.